Samsung, though more capable, poses overheating risks impacting battery, lifespan, and performance. For a faster Galaxy, and to address frequent overheating or shutdowns, read on for 11 effective fixes. Part 1. Why is my Samsung phone getting hot? Use your Samsung phone in an environment outside of normal operating conditions. Place your phone or tablet near a heat source. Utilize the fast charging feature. Run multiple apps for an extended period of time. Part 2. Fix Samsung phone overheating with 10 quick ways. Way 1. Close background apps. Way 2. Disable useless services. Way 3. Change battery settings. Way 4. Check battery health. Way 5. Minimize screen brightness. Way 6. Use safe mode. Way 7. Remove app permissions. Way 8. Update the Samsung system. Way 9. Optimize Samsung device. Way 10. Other quick tips to cool down Samsung phone.